Happy Tuesday, first graders. Today in math, we are going to do our daily count, and then we are going to add add-ins in any order. I'll show you what that looks like. First, let's start with our daily count. On Friday, it was the 14th day of school. Let's add one more to 14 and see how many we have now. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means we have one 10 rod right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And 1 10 and 5 ones makes 15. Let's get out our butter here and butter in 15. 1 10 and 5 ones makes the number 15. We only need 5 more to get to 20. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. I hope you had a great 3-day weekend. Today in math, we are going to show that when you are adding, the numbers you are adding can be in any order. No matter what, the sum will stay the same. So let me show you what that means. The two numbers that you are adding together are called add-ins. And the answer to those two numbers being put together is the sum. Add-in, sum. Here I've got 3 red dots. That means one of my add-ins is 3. And I've got 2 blue dots. That means my other add-in is 2. If I want to figure out how many I have all together, I will plus and see what my sum is. 3 and 2 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum is 5. I can switch the order of the add-ins. I can make the 2 go first and the 3 go second, and my answer 5 will stay the same. Let me show you. I'm going to flip around. Woo, woo. Now my 2 blue dots are first. See how the 2 blue dots are first? So that's one of my add-ins. And now the 3 red dots are last. So that's my second add-in. And if I wanted to put those numbers together, plus means put together, I bet you I'm still going to have 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the sum. So no matter what order I put the numbers in, as long as they're the same 2 numbers, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 can be first or 3 can be last, 2 can be last or 2 can be first. No matter what, if you have the same 2 numbers, they can be in any order and your sum stays the same. Let me show you one more time. Looks like I've got 1 red dot first. So 1 is one of my add-ins. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 blue dots second. If I wanted to figure out how many I had all together, I plus them, put together, and let me count 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like my sum is 5. I can make 4 first and 1 last, and my sum is still going to be 5. Let me show you. Let me switch it around. Now the 4 blue dots are first. 4 blue dots, so 4 is one of my add-ins. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 1 red dot is last now, so 1 is my other add-in. I can plus or put together those 2 numbers, and I bet you I'll still have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no matter what order the numbers are in, the sum stays the same. 1 can be first or 1 can be last. 4 can be last or 4 can be first. But no matter what, 4 and 1 will always make 5. Let me show you what we're going to be doing today in our math worksheet. Do you see these two add-ins, 2 and 3? 2 and 3 will always make, let's see, I'm going to color in 2, red, and I'm going to color 3, blue. And let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2 plus 3 makes a sum of 5. Now, this time I'm going to put the 3 first. Instead of 2 plus 3, I'm going to do 3 plus 2. So the 2 is last, the 3 is first. I bet you it will still make 5. Let's see. So I'm going to do my 3 blue dots first this time. 1, 2, 3. And my 2 red dots last this time. 1, 2. And I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum is still 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's do another. 2 and 4 are my add-ins. Let's do 2 red dots and 4 blue dots. And see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now I'm going to change the order of the add-ins. Instead of 2 plus 4, let's do 4 plus 2. Let the 4 go first this time. I'm going to let my 4 blue dots go first this time, and my 2 red dots are last. I bet you I'm still going to have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just flip-flopped 2 and 4, 4 and 2. But no matter what, the sum stayed the same. I'm going to show you one more. My add-ins are 4 and 1. So I'm going to go ahead and do 4 red dots and 1 blue dot. And let's see how many all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum is 5. Let's flip our add-ins. Instead of 4 and 1, let's do 1 plus 4. Now I'm going to let the 1 blue dot go first and the 4 red dots go last. And I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 4, no matter what, they still make 5. Got it? All right, your job today is to complete this page. You've got, you're going to write the sum and then circle the addition sentences that have the same add-ins in each row. Let me show you. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Well, look at this. 2, 2. 1, 1. And 3 and 3. Those are the 2 that match. So I'd circle 2 plus 1 and circle 1 plus 2. And then I can just leave the one that doesn't match. It doesn't have the same 3 numbers alone. So solve all 3 and then circle the 2 that match. Do that for the whole page. At the very bottom, you're going to write 2 addition sentences that tell about the picture. So it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brown cats plus 1 white cat. Or you could do 1 white cat plus 5 brown cats. This is the page that you will submit on Seesaw, but you can also complete this back page as well. All you'll do is answer all of these addition sentences, then think of 2 numbers that will make 10, and then flip-flop those 2 numbers to make 10 again. Here, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Flip-flop 2 and 3, so it's 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, this is a tough lesson. Try your best and happy adding.